underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a bomb braid out. So I already have my hair washed and deep conditioned. Starting off, I'm going to use Carol's Daughter's leave-in conditioner spritz and spray. I use this pretty much to start off any hairstyle. Next, I'm going to use Creme Nature's Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream for natural hair. This has rich moisture and shine for soft, defining curls. I'm going to use my Denman brush to detangle my hair to get those strands nice and sleek. So I already did one, but for the next one, I'm basically just going to braid each section. And with braiding each section, you want to make sure that each section is about medium size. You don't want them too big or too small. And for each section that I'm braiding about 3/4 of the way down. After that, I'm going to be taking my yellow perm rods and basically just twisting it around my ends. Yeah, sometimes the ends of the perm rods come off and it can be a little annoying, but you can clip them right back on and try again. So I'm going to try again. This is the next one. I'm going to braid till I get about 3/4 of the way. And the motion that I'm using to put the perm rods in, I'm basically curling up. So you twist it up, then twist. Roll up, then twist. Roll up, then twist. I'm basically gonna do that for the rest. Hey! I'm gonna do that for the rest of my hair. So now that we're at the top, for all my styles, I pretty much like to do a part on my left side. Yeah, it's my left side. And I'm going to use a comb. This is the only time I use a comb for my hair, honestly, to make a part. Well, when you're doing the other sections, you don't need even parts because your hair is going to be curly and, you know, parts aren't needed. So I'm going to continue to braid and curl and put in perm rods on my ends. Now I know y'all probably looking like, this girl, the top of her head is straight. Yes, I do still have heat damage. I went like a year with leave out, like with a sew-in, and it was horrible. Like my curl pattern changed so much. But you know what? It's okay because the perm rods are here to save the day. And I didn't really believe in cutting off all my hair, so I've just been trimming as I go. And as you can see from the roots, my hair has grown tremendously. So yeah, I'm just going to grow out the straight ends and clip as I go. all of my perm rods are in, all my braids are in, and I'm going to put on my bonnet. Shout out to my sister for putting me onto this bonnet. It is the best thing ever. Like, all of my hair can fit under it. All of my thoughts, all of my dreams, all of my aspirations. Yeah, girl. Day, but as you can see, my hair is wrapped up. My hair was not dry, so I just put a head wrap on. And yes, I went to class like this. Okay, say something, say something. But yeah, so I take the head wrap off, and my hair should be completely dry at this point. Yes, girl. Taking this olive oil, and honestly, you can use any type of oil, and you're gonna take a nice amount of that. Rub it all throughout your hands and begin to take out your perm rods. Now, I rubbed it all on my hands because, as you can see, as I'm pulling the perm rods off, I am making sure that each strand gets oil. And putting oil on your hands reduces the amount of frizz and friction that happens when you take out your perm rods. So I am all done. Taking a little more oil just to make sure I got enough moisture. Okay. And I'm going to begin to unravel and take out the braid. Look at that curl pattern. Yes, girl. Yes. So here, I'm basically just taking out the braid. And I'm going to continue to do that throughout my head. So I'm all done taking out my braids. The next part is based on your personal preference. I'm just separating just a little more to give myself a little more volume for a first day, but I don't do it too much because I am down south and the humidity is crazy. Like, my hair gets super big throughout the day. Next, I'm taking Creme of Nature's Coconut Milk 24-Hour Edge Tamer. And with my handy dandy toothbrush, I am sleeking down my edges. Yes, girl, get them edges. I can honestly say that this edge control lasts me all day. Like, look at that shine, y'all. So I continue to sleek down my edges. So I am all done. I'm just gonna fluff out my hair a little bit. Yes, girl, yes. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, give me some feedback, something. Let me know. Did you like my video? Was it informative? What other type of videos do you want me to do? See you next time.